Imagine waking up to find out your website has been hacked overnight. Your data stolen, or someone somehow got access to your content, your sales, or even deleted the data on your website. All your hard work gone all of a sudden. It's scary, right? Trust me, I have been there. Now, this is where the 2FA, or the two-factor authentication, comes in. The 2FA is one of the simplest yet the most effective way to protect your website from hackers and bots. So by enabling your 2FA, you make sure that only you can access your dashboard. Even if someone has somehow got access to your password, they cannot access your website without your two-factor authentication. My name is Prudence from The Manager. In this video, I will show you how to set up a 2FA using a powerful tool called Wordfence. So your website is locked down and secure. Let's dive in. This is a site I'll be installing, Wordfence. Let's just take a look at it. Yeah. So this is it. I want to secure this site now to protect it from hackers and bots. So what I'll do, I'll come to my plugin section, then go to add new. Yeah, I'll click on this add new plugin. Then here I'll come to the search bar, search for Wordfence. So it's searching. Now this is it, installed by over 5 million people. So what I'm going to do, I will click on this install now. So I'll just click on install now. Then click on activate to activate it. So as soon as you've activated it, it will bring you to this dashboard where you are told to get your WordPress license. So I will click on it. Okay, now we have the Wordfence free version and the premium version. The free version is also as effective as the premium version, but if you want more security, more protection, you can as well just subscribe, but I will just go with the free version because it's also as effective. So I'll click on get a free license. So I'm okay with, so you click on this, I'm okay waiting 30 days for protection. So I'll just click here. Then here I will enter my email address. So you enter your email address to get your license key. I'll just paste it here. Then would you like WordPress security and vulnerability alerts sent to your email? No. So I'll click on no. I will accept their terms and condition. Then click on register. So you're told to check your email. Your license key has been sent. So I'll just go to my email. So now this is it, Wordfence. So I'll click on it. So scroll down. This is your license. So I'll copy this license key, go back to my website. I'll close this, then go back to my dashboard. Here, this is my WordPress dashboard, right? I will click on install an existing license. So I'll click here. So I'll enter my email address here. I'll paste my license key. Then I'll click on, would you like Wordfence security and vulnerability alert? No. So I'll click on no button, then click on install license button. Click here. It's installing. Now free license installed. Congratulations. So we'll go back to my dashboard. Now this is your Wordfence dashboard. I'll close this. So on your Wordfence dashboard, you'll see they have other features other than that of the two-factor authentication. They have that of the firewall. They can also scan your website. to detect threats and all that. Then you have the notification center. As you can see here, it says 13 issues found in the most recent scan. So you can just click on it to see, the threat that they detected. Then they also update you. So here you have your notification center to see any threat, etc., that is going on your website. But our main focus today is the two-factor authentication. So on the right hand side of the Wordfence, you see the login security here, right? So I'll click on this. So here they will give me a QR code to scan. Now, in order to enable 2FA on your website, you will need to download an app on your phone, either the Google Authenticator app or the free OTP. So you can download either of them on your mobile device. So I will just go to my mobile device. I will download either of these apps, but the most secured one is this Google Authenticator. Then I will scan this QR code right here. So let me just scan this. So I've scanned it. So your authentication app provides a two-factor verification code that only lasts every 10 to 15 seconds. That's why it's hard for someone to hack your website when you have it activated. So you can see we also, on our right hand side, we also have this recovering code. So in case perhaps you misplace your phone and all that, and you want to log into your website, now you don't have your authenticator app, right? You can just, that's where you should save this. You can use your recovering code to access your WordPress website. So now I'm just going to log out of my site and try to access it again. So before then, here they say enter the code from your authenticator app below. So I'll just go to my phone, then enter 64 to activate it. Oh, okay, that is off. I said every 10 to 3, 9, 4, 2, 3. So I'll just activate this. So download recovery. So I'll download this. So my website is secured. The two-factor authentication has been activated. So I'll just log out of my website, then try to log in. So let me just open a new tab, and let me try to log into my website. So now they require my username and password, right? I'll put my username, then my password. So click on login. As you can see, Wordfence 2FA code, it must be required. So even when your someone get access to your password and username, they still require this, your 2FA code. So I'll just go to my mobile device, check it, then enter my 49. So I'll just click on login. So as you can see, we have successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. So you can as well do other things. Like I said, they have the firewall protection, the scanning. So you can just click here on firewalls. So this is what they said. They said learning mode until November 7th. So when you install Wordfence, they always take 1 week to study your website, so they will know how to protect your website against threats and all that. So they take 7 days. As you can see, they say learning mode until November 7th. Then just scanning. You can scan your website for threats, for outdated plugins and all that. So here you can do your scan. So you can just scan this to see any threat on your website. So it's scanning, as you can see. So you just wait for it to scan. You're seeing the result. Server state is active, your files changes active, then malware scan, etc. Content safety, scanning everything. So as soon as it's done scanning, you'll see the result at the bottom. The plugin Elementor needs upgrades. You just see everything here. So this is why Wordfence is free but very effective. So guys, this is how you can install the free WordPress security plugin and secure your website. If you enjoyed this video, Please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.